Hey guys, welcome. Crypto Rain here. Just a couple thoughts on Nash. Hopefully you've been following Nash. I have for the past 3 years. I remember when I couldn't get into the ICO because I'm in the United States. And so that was a huge disappointment. I saw huge returns from what people were able to buy it at then. Went all the way to like 270. A lot of people want to know what the staking returns look like. So I wanted to show you what it looks like and why I'm excited about it. Much more excited than what other people are. If people really knew what was going on with it, I think they would talk about it. So let's look at Nash here. Sorry for the background, but I'm in the process of making my office more of a studio. You can see the green screen there and some other things. And I'm just using my webcam here, but I got a nice Canon M50 for better clarity, and it's just not set up yet. Not only for cryptocurrency videos, but other videos. And so, like I've shared with you before, I'm just a crypto investor myself. I've been in since 2017. Just sharing with you what I'm excited about, even though I'm not your financial advisor or a financial advisor. Just what I'm excited about. So maybe it helps inform you on what to look into more. So this is Nash, formerly known as Nex, right? Which was going to be Neon Exchange because they thought Neo was going to be huge, and they've transitioned away from, not completely away from Neo. It's still on the Neo blockchain, but they did release a converter so that it can be converted to an Ethereum token, so that it can be traded on Uniswap, which was brilliant because prior to that you could really only get it on Switch.io. But they made this change, and look, they already got tons of Uniswap volume. Almost as much Uniswap volume as they have on Switch.io, which is fantastic. So let's look a little bit about price and what's going on. It finally came out to where you could buy it, and it hit about $2 and then dropped to $1, went way up to $3, and dumb me, I was buying more here because I was really excited about dividends on an exchange that seemed to make a lot of sense to me, that you hold all your private keys, and so you don't have the problems of having all your funds on exchange while still having great speed. Now, where they still lack is the total number of things that you can trade on it, which isn't that great. But for what you're probably all here for, let's look at what these kind of dividends look like and why I'm excited. So when they first started staking, I was super excited to stake, and I didn't have as many tokens then as I do now, but I have bought more. But look at these kind of dividends received. 2 cents. 2 cents for October in 2019. Woo, that was exciting, right? Not really so much. But it was exciting to see that grow to 6 cents and then 12 cents. And I did start getting excited with that. And then for some reason, trading fell off on the exchange. But then look what happened in April. 3 cents to 19 cents, and then $1.09 in dividends. That started getting really exciting. And then 85 cents, 69 cents, $1.37. When it really started to get exciting is look how the dividends 10x'd. Now, I think I restaked. One of my stakes went out. I can't remember. Maybe I did buy some more then. It was pretty cheap. Probably I bought some more. I'm at total 10,902, which isn't a lot, especially considering they went down all the way to 60 cents for a while. I wish I'd paid 60 cents for all of mine. I'd have a lot more, but you just never know where the bottom is. So let's go inside these statements. So this is exciting. Let's look at this statement so that you can see. So it gives you a breakdown on December 19th, exactly how much was traded that they paid you. And so here's the dividends on the different things that were paid out based on your active stakes, and what the aggregate is, which gets pretty exciting, right? 30 cents in Bitcoin, 7 cents in Ethereum, 6 cents in Chainlink, 2 cents, 10 cents in Syntropy, which I don't even know what Syntropy is, but I guess the dividend received is in Noya, and then USDC coin, 57 cents. So that's fantastic. That's from one day, right? So that's pretty exciting. December 18th was a big day, so the total aggregate dividends, so far for all of December 2020. It's already $11, which is, I think, roughly where it was for November. So it's already hit that. Let me show you some other things. Another thing I used to look at, I guess you can't see once you're logged in, unless I open another browser. Let me open up Brave. Let me see if I go to Nash.io. Alright, so I come here, and this is what I look at it on a daily basis. Now, this is my analytical side. So, like, if you're not analytical like me, this might be boring to you. And especially if you don't have anything in Nash getting dividends. But what I look at is this 24-hour volume, and this tells me how much is being traded daily. So if you look at this, the metric it went up to after the big jump was it went up to about 1 million on average a day. So if you were to look at the 1 month, which would be an average about 30 days, this would usually be tallied right around 30 million. But if you add this up, let's see if I can. For the last 30 days, there's 19 million right there plus 11 million, so it's already at 30 million. I don't know why it's putting 288 right there. So if you add in both of these, that's not just 30 million, that's 40 million. Add this up and it's right around 42 million in the last 30 days. So it's growing and keeps continuing to grow. That's really exciting. So now what's funny is the price isn't really all that high still. If you look at it, going here, it's still bouncing around. So the low was about 60 something cents. And is trading, yeah, double that, but still really low market cap. The market cap is at 16 million. That's crazy. That's why I'm excited about Nash. And yeah, I think this is going to do great things. And all it takes is like 1 or 2 big exchanges to get hacked, and more people will jump to Nash again, especially with some of these big institutional buyers buying. Man, if they lose funds, they're going to have to go to something secure like Nash. Now, there will be other alternatives. The Nash exchange isn't going to be their only option, but it'll be a good one. Hope that's helpful. You guys, click the like button, please, and I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. When I have some of those other channels released, I do real estate investments, so that's a totally separate thing, but I am working on a channel with a business partner. That's going to be fun, going and looking at $1 million homes, talking about different investment things. My business partner on that, he's 21 years old. He's already a multi-millionaire. He was actually a millionaire at the age of 18, bought his first Ferrari, cash. And so he's 21 now. Great guy, and so we're going to have some fun with our channel that we're making together. Thanks, guys. Bye.